In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Photos not uploading videos. If your videos are stuck, missing from backup, or simply refusing to upload, don't worry. There are a few common causes, and in most cases, the fix is pretty straightforward. We'll go through the most important things to check so you can get your video backups working again. First, check your backup and sync settings in Google Photos. Sometimes video backup is paused, turned off, or limited to certain folders only. Open Google Photos, go into the backup settings, and make sure backup is actually enabled. Also check whether the folder containing your videos is selected for backup. This is especially important if your videos are stored in a downloads folder, a camera folder, or another location that may not be included automatically. If backup has been paused, resume it and give the app a moment to continue syncing. Next, look at the video file itself. Google Photos supports specific video formats, and the file size also matters. If the video is in an unsupported format, it may never upload properly. Also, video files must not exceed 10 gigabytes. If you're dealing with a very large file or something exported from editing software in an unusual format, that could be the reason it's failing. In that case, try checking the file details on your device to confirm the size and format before attempting the upload again. If everything looks correct so far, the next step is to clear the app cache and data. A corrupted cache can sometimes cause uploads to freeze or get stuck in the queue. Go to your device's app settings, find Google Photos, then open storage settings and clear the cache. If the problem continues, you can also clear app data. Just keep in mind that clearing data may reset certain app preferences, so you may need to sign in again or review your backup settings afterward. This step often helps when the app itself is behaving strangely. If the issue still isn't resolved, try removing your Google account from the app and then signing back in. This can refresh the connection between Google Photos and your account, and in some cases, it clears a stuck upload queue. After signing back in, return to the backup settings and confirm everything is enabled correctly before checking whether your videos begin uploading again. By going through these checks carefully, you can usually pinpoint what's preventing Google Photos from uploading your videos and get things back to normal.